My guy. You know be greedy man, no. I know you. You know be greedy man. You know go even allow my house to say you go just give me the biscuit. Maybe like this they do. Give me biscuit, give me biscuit. Like I see. Tell me say you won't come out. Go buy snacks. Come sit down the flex alone. Your guy there, you Jones me, sure. How things you go now? How things you go now? See the way they even look me so I feel like say you no go chop the biscuit again. You know one time, okay, you know one time again, okay, you know one time again. Now later I go continue thing I do for the yard now. Later. This guy no do. I just sit back, relax. Where going back? Bread. Oh, no be bread. Thank God say no be stone.
Okay, I know what to do.
My son, do not eat that bread alone. Eat and remain for someone else.
Oh, Oluwa bongeri back there. Baba, if to say you for just send 2 bread one time now, if you know some other person they come, this one like this, I'm not going even go anywhere first, Baba.
This guy see they chop this bread. What happen now?
Oh, Oluwa. Dang ma. What's your cook?
My son, that drink has been poisoned. Do not drink it. I repeat, do not drink it.
Poison. What am I even doing here now? I will drink it, die, and come and meet you there.
I beg no chop that thing. I beg neighbor no one and me. I beg no try. I beg since mother no eat. No chop am.
Cook. Come go my film now.
Alright, thank you very much for watching that funny Laff Nation entertainment comedy video. See you on Monday and also on Friday. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and book us for any kind of event with the number shown on your screen. Remember, subscribe.